Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you for coming. Hope this is not your last. For those of you who are returning OGs and even subbies, thank you so much for showing someone love and coming back our way, right back at you. Now, if you are currently not subscribed to this channel, first of all, I just don't know why, but now's the perfect opportunity to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. You're already a Seasoned Beauty anyway. So just become a part of this Seasoned Beauties family. We look out for family over here. Now, if you like what you see, hit the like button. Give it a thumbs up. If there's something that you didn't like, let me know. Give me a comment below. I'll read it, see what I can do. Okay? Now, today's video, we're going to do a couple of unboxings. I have a box. I found them. They found me on Instagram, and this is a skincare company. Of course, as you know, the reason this channel exists anyway started with skincare. So when I heard about this, I was going online to check it out. So we're going to open it up and see exactly what's in here and how this can help us out. And then this bag of goodies right here, we are going to open. Wait till you see what's in. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a preview. In this bag is over $67 worth of makeup, which your girl right here spent less than $10 for. I promise you, I have the receipt in the bag. So we're going to check into that as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm really anxious about the skincare, so we're going to go ahead and talk about that first. So the name of this company is Ehoney LLC. Okay, and first, this is women ownership. How about that? Okay, so then the other thing is she's a woman of color. So, you know, we're going to look out and we're going to support. We're going to check it out and see just how good this is, and then we're going to spread the word. Okay, so I went on to the website, which I will leave below. For my subbies, we will also get that, you know, I'm all about saving the money. So I'm going to get a coupon code just for you. Okay, and I'm going to share that. So the first product that we're going to take a look at is called Goddess Glow, and this is a cleansing scrub. Okay, here we go. Now, I have not opened, you know, the packaging or anything yet. I was waiting to share with y'all. So we're going to just go ahead and open this up right quick. I'm going to check out some claims about this product, and we're going to pass it on. Now, the first thing is it's 100% organic ingredients in here. Oh, see, I'm here for it already. The main one being honey. How about that? So I'm really excited. The directions on this is wet face with warm water. Dispense a small amount into the palm of our hands. Massage onto face in a circular motion. Rinse off with plenty of water. It's sealed very well. Oh my God. This smells so good. This smells really nice. It's a nice, it's not a super thick texture, but it's a nice texture. Oh yes, 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 yes. And it's got granules in it. Oh Lord. I'm just rubbing it in on my hand. I didn't wet my skin or anything, but this is pulling up dead skin on my hand. Just that quick. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, I have a towel close by, and I do have a spray bottle. So, okay, I was going to just wait until December, since it wasn't that far away, and just go ahead and start, you know, the month, you know, go ahead and use it right off the bat for a month. However, I don't think I want to wait. All right, I'm going to rinse it off. Oh my God. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get started. Oh my God, this feels amazing. I'm just looking at the texture difference in, this is the hand that I did right here. I wish you could feel it. It's so smooth. This one, you can't really see. I can feel the difference right off the bat already. Okay, I'm very excited. So I'm going to go ahead and start at the beginning of the week, and I'm going to go straight through. I'll let you know how I feel. The first day I'm going to take some pictures of my skin when I start, my face, and I'm going to check back in with you about this in a week. And we're going to see how we're doing then, and then go on from there. Now, in addition to that, I also got, this one is the Glow Oil. I'll get all the information. I'm just going to spray the hand that we just cleansed, okay? This smells like the cleanser. This is nice. This is really nice. So, oh yeah. Okay, so we're going to try that out. And we're going to give you some feedback with regards to these two products. Now, I will tell you, this was not very expensive. They were reasonably priced. Okay, so, and I will leave the website below. I'll probably put it across the bottom of the screen as well, so you can go and check it out. And I'll even insert a picture of the ordering page, okay, so you can take a look and see what the prices are right now. Who knows? Good time to still continue to shop for Christmas. So while I was there, you know, I'm always looking out for my hubby. And in looking out for my husband, they had a skincare package for men. And this is the men's cleansing scrub. That's this one right here. The packaging is gorgeous. And in addition to that, y'all know my husband sports a salt and pepper beard. So I also got him the beard oil. Okay, so I'm going to take some pictures of him, you know, before and after as well. So I'm really excited about us trying this out. First, because it's a woman-owned company and she's a woman of color, looking out for other women of color. Okay, so, okay, not just women of color, because she did something for the men as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to check this out. I'm going to check out the skincare. Hubby's going to go ahead and check out the skincare for men and the beard oil. And we want to check back in later on so you can see exactly what his beard looks like, as well as me letting you know how these products worked for me. Okay? So we're excited about these two. And I will have you know that both products, I promise you, I did not even spend $30 for these. So I'm telling you, you get your money's worth if they are as good as the claims say, which I'm already, I know it will be, because I'm already feeling the difference in my skin already. Now let's jump into this bag. In this bag is $67 and change worth of CoverGirl Queen products. Now, I have a prominent YouTuber that I follow, and she was saying how she wanted some more of her favorite bronzer, which just happened to be this one. She said there's nothing like it, and they didn't sell it in her area anymore. So I was trying to check it out, see if I could find some to send it to her. So I never would have really gone into, I was in the grocery store, y'all, and I never really would have gone over to that section, except the fact that she said something about the Queen collection. And so I'm usually getting it out of Target or, you know, CVS, something like that. And I walked past and they were having a sale, because they are, I don't know if they're changing the packaging or if it's being discontinued altogether. Well, this one is in ebony. Okay. This one is in brown. And this one is in brown. Okay. Now the normal price on each of these are $9, $8.99. Okay. That's what these are. Okay. So right here, we're already looking at $26.97 just for these. Okay. Then they also had the eyeliners. This one is in the color Amethyst. See that? This one is in black. And I think I have another one in black as well. Yes. So I have these. Okay. Now, these, I wish they had more. As a matter of fact, I'm going to go back and check again and see. So these were $6.99, I believe. Then I got a concealer, and this is in the color Golden. This one was $5.99. Okay. And then I got the mascara in Very Black, $6. And I got this one at 50% off as well. Now I know you're sitting here doing the math like, that doesn't even come anywhere close. Plus I was able, there was an older lady who was there with me, and she wanted one as well, so I just grabbed one for her too. So when we add it all up, well, I'm about to sing Shirley Season, No Charge came to my head. Go figure. But nonetheless, so after that, we added these together. I also had $2 and $2.50 off coupons. So in addition to the regular price being reduced to half, I also got an additional $2 to $2.50 off on each one, and I ended up paying $9 $9.81. Can you see that right there? $9.81 is what I spent for these products. Now I am going to go and check a couple more of the Giants in this area. I still have some more coupons left, so, and they don't expire till the end of the year, so I am going to go and see if they have this sale on as well. Gonna check those out too. If they are, I'll be getting some more, and then that wonderful YouTuber, I will be finding you some more of these. Okay, because that's ridiculous that you go on eBay to look for it and people are selling them for $20. Come on, y'all, this is ridiculous. I didn't pay $20 for everything I have. So nonetheless, I'm really interested though. It's something I want to open out of all of this, and that's this amethyst eyeliner. This is really pretty. And it just glided right across. This is the hand I used the scrub on and the oil. Look at that. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. So I do like that. Okay, I'm very, very happy about this particular purchase. Nonetheless, that was a nice money saver. So we're gonna, I guess since I swatched that, you want to swatch the black one too so we can see just how black it really is. Okay. So, and this one is retractable. The amethyst one is not, but this one is. Oh, and it's got the click. Now, with these, you have to remember, don't twist off more than you're ready to use, because you cannot get it to go back inside. This was my little shopping expedition that I wanted to share with you on today. So just opening up some packages. So I do want to tell you thank you so much for choosing to spend some time with me on today. This is how we save over here, okay? And with me saving over here, I'm going to help you save on your side, okay? Because I'm going to tell you just what I did and how I did it. So I'm looking out for you. So thank you so much. Please remember that regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. So until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.